Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Stock number is A6784. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. A look inside of the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Miata on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.